Today we're having some fun with our huskies and improving playtime with the help of our new interactive Burrow dog toys from Yeppuppy. They have a lot of different designs, but our favorites were the bag of chips and bag of cookies. So we got one of each for our huskies. And I have a feeling they're going to love these, because inside of the cookie bag, you can find 5 different cookie toys. They have squeakers, they crinkle, and even have treat pockets to hide treats and engage your pet's prey drive while they snuffle around and look for the treats. Inside the potato chip bag, you can find 5 different types of chips. Again, these have treat pockets, squeak and crinkle. Then both of the bags themselves crinkle like potato chip bags, which will be fun. So I stuffed in the toys and brought in the snack bags to surprise our huskies. I gave them each a bag, and they both immediately went crazy. At first, they didn't even know there were toys inside, and just had fun crinkling the bag and trying to squeak the toys through the outside. Then they found they could stuff their heads inside, and it was on. They pulled out toy after toy, and it was too funny watching them bury their faces in the snack bags. They got so excited every time we reloaded the toys. Then we put some treats inside the treat pockets, and they had even more fun. They couldn't get enough, and it was so much fun for us, watching them have so much fun. Not only that, but they were so worn out after, and slept well through the night. It's the little things, right? What's better than a toy? Pulling a surprise toy out of a bag. Anyway, our huskies had a blast and are loving their new toys. So if you're looking for some fun new interactive toys for your dogs, these might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go reload the snack bags and let the huskies play some more. See ya!